Hello, dear little friends. Welcome to Dive into Pooja's books. Today, we are going to see some interesting true or false general knowledge questions and answers. And yes, we'll see amazing facts about each of them. Question number 1. As much as 3% of the ice that is present in the glaciers of Antarctica is nothing but penguin urine. What do you think? It's true or false? It is true. Due to the temperature being well below zero, the urine cannot evaporate or washed out. So it simply freezes. Question number 2. Chimpanzees have hair more than human. True or false? Think. It is false. We actually have the same density of body hair as other apes of our size. But ours is largely fine and colorless rather than thick and dark. So, we actually have almost the same density as chimpanzees, but they have more thick and dark hair. Hence, it looks like they have more hair than us. Question number 3. The longest and strongest bone in the human body is the thigh bone. True or false? It is true. The femur or the thigh bone is the longest bone found in the human body. One can evaluate that the thigh bone is the longest bone just by looking at his or her thigh. It runs from the hip down to around the knee area. Question number 4. Identical twins have identical fingerprints. True or false? It is false. Though it seems true, right? Because identical twins, they look so identical. But the fingerprints are different. Due to the environmental factors that affect their development inside the womb, it is impossible for identical twins to have the exact same fingerprints. So your fingerprints depends when you are being developed inside your mother's womb. And hence they cannot be same for even the identical twins. Question number 5. Sharks evolved before dinosaurs. True or false? It is true. Sharks are among Earth's most ancient creatures. First evolving over 455 million years ago, sharks are far more ancient than the first dinosaurs or even the insects, mammals, or even trees. Dinosaurs were evolved around 200 million years ago. Question number 6. Astronauts can live in a satellite. Seems impossible. What do you think? True or false? It is true. The International Space Station is a large spacecraft. It orbits around Earth. It is a home where astronauts can live. The space station is also a science lab. Many countries work together to build it. They also work together to use it. The space station is made of many pieces. The pieces were put together in space by astronauts. There, the astronauts study things in space which they cannot study or research by being on the land. Question number 7. It took almost 20 years to build the Taj Mahal. True or false? It is true. It seems a lot, right? But seeing the beauty of Taj Mahal? Yeah, it seems logical. Taj Mahal, it means crown of palaces. It took approximately 20 years and approximately 20,000 workers to complete. There were also about 1,000 elephants used to transport the materials needed for the construction. The Taj Mahal is in Agra, India. It was built by a grief-stricken emperor, Shah Jahan. His wife, Mumtaz Mahal, died in 1631 while giving birth to their 14th child. So the Taj Mahal was built in honor of her. Over 2 lakh tourists from overseas and as many as 2 to 4 million people visit the Taj Mahal every year. Taj Mahal has been designated by UNESCO as one of the World Heritage Site, and it is also one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The new 7 wonders of the world were chosen by people voting from all over the world. Question number 8. Abraham Lincoln was the first president of the United States of America. True or false? It is false. George Washington was the first president of United States of America. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and a lawyer who was the 16th president of the United States. Lincoln led the nation through the American Civil War, the country's greatest moral, cultural, constitutional and political crisis. He succeeded in preserving the Union, abolishing slavery, bolstering the federal government and modernizing the US economy. In the 1920s, sculptors selected George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt and Abraham Lincoln to appear on Mount Rushmore. It later became an iconic symbol of presidential greatness. Question number 9. 80% of what you taste is decided by what you are smelling in the first place. True or false? It is indeed true. Our sense of smell is responsible for about 80% of what we taste. That is why when our nose is blocked, as by a cold, most foods seem bland or tasteless. Also, our sense of smell becomes stronger when we are hungry. And the last question. There are 7 players in each team in a game of basketball. True or false? It is false. There are 5 players in each team of basketball. A traditional basketball team has 12 players with 5 basketball players on the court at any given time. Unlimited substitutions are allowed. Hope you learned a lot from this video and you liked it. If you like it, press the like button right now. Give me some of your comments in the comment section and please do share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.